In this video, I'll show you how to get 3 months of Shopify access for almost free in 2026 using a legit and official method. This is perfect if you want to test Shopify, build your store, and see if it's the right platform for you, without paying the full price upfront. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head to the official Shopify website. Click on Start Free Trial and sign up using your email address. You can also register with Google or Apple if that's easier for you. Once you sign up, Shopify will create your account and take you straight to your dashboard. Now, here's the key part. In 2026, Shopify typically starts with a short free trial. After that, you'll be offered a deal to continue using Shopify for just $1 per month for 3 months. It's not 100% free, but it's the cheapest official way to use Shopify for 3 full months without paying the regular subscription price. To activate this offer, simply continue setting up your store and choose a plan when Shopify asks you to. On the payment screen, you'll see the $1 for 3 months deal. Add your payment method, confirm the plan, and you're good to go. With these 3 months, you can fully build your store, add products, customize your theme, test apps, and even start selling. It's more than enough time to decide whether Shopify is worth using long term. And that's how you can get 3 months of Shopify access in 2026 using a working and official method. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Shopify tutorials, online business tips, and tech guides. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.